Hey there. Our focus for this guided meditation is on appreciating your body and your mind. Find a comfortable position, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze, and begin by taking a few deep breaths. As you settle into this space, bring your awareness to your body. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each breath, and take a moment to express gratitude for the miraculous vessel that carries you through life's journey. Take a moment to reflect on the intricate systems within your body, the beating of your heart, the rhythm of your breath, the sensations that flow through you. Acknowledge the resilience and strength that your body offers you each day, supporting you in every moment. Now, shift your attention to your mind. Recognize the power of your thoughts, emotions, and consciousness. Consider the ways in which your mind shapes your perceptions and experiences of the world around you. Take a moment to express gratitude for the capacity of your mind to learn, grow, and adapt, to the endless possibilities it presents for creativity, exploration, and self-discovery. As you continue to breathe, allow yourself to bask in a sense of appreciation for the synergy between your body and mind. Recognize how they work in harmony to guide you through life's challenges and joys. With each breath, cultivate a deeper sense of gratitude for yourself and the incredible gifts of your body and mind. Know that by nurturing and cherishing these aspects of yourself, you are honoring the very essence of who you are. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes or adjust your gaze. Carry this feeling of gratitude with you as you go about your day, knowing that you are a beautiful and unique expression of life's infinite possibilities. And know that you can return to this guided meditation at any time you feel the need. Bye for now.